The current time is 1:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Weather conditions across the valley at 1 p.m. At Bayview, mostly sunny, temperature 93. Southeast wind at 15, gusting to 23. At Brownsville, under partly sunny skies. The temperature 93 degrees, dew point 75, relative humidity 55%. Southeast wind at 18 miles an hour, gusting to 25. Pressure 30.07 and falling. At Harlingen, under sunny skies. The temperature 98, dew point 67, relative humidity 36%. Southeast wind at 16, gusting to 24. Pressure 30.04 and falling. At McAllen, under sunny skies. The temperature 99, dew point 66, relative humidity 33%. Southeast wind at 16, gusting to 25. Pressure 30.03 inches and falling. At Edinburgh, under sunny skies. The temperature 98, dew point 66, relative humidity 34%. Southeast wind at 14, gusting to 23. Pressure 30.03 inches and falling. At the buoy 35 miles northeast of Port Mansfield, south wind at 12, significant waves 3 feet, with a period of 6 seconds. Water temperature 84 degrees, air temperature 83 degrees. 200 miles east of Port Isabel, southeast wind at 6, significant waves 2 feet, with a period of 6 seconds. Water temperature 86 degrees, air temperature 85 degrees. Listen for statewide weather at 13:33 and 53 after the hour. Your National Weather Service forecast for Brownsville, Harlingen, and surrounding areas. Today, sunny, breezy. Highs in the upper 90s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, becoming 20 to 25 miles an hour. Heat index values 105 to 110. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows 78 to 83. Southeast winds 15 to 20 miles an hour, becoming 10 miles an hour after midnight. Wednesday, sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 90s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, becoming 15 to 20 miles an hour in the afternoon. Heat index values 105 to 110. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Lows 76 to 81. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid to upper 90s. Marine forecast for the following coastal location, the coastal waters. Synopsis, a tight pressure gradient will be the driver behind moderate to strong onshore winds through midweek. Small craft advisory or small craft should exercise caution. Conditions may develop at times. A lesser gradient will result in slightly lower winds and sees the latter half of the week and into the weekend. Marine forecast for the following coastal locations, Laguna Madre from the port of Brownsville to the Arroyo Colorado, Laguna Madre from the Arroyo Colorado to 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield, Texas, and Laguna Madre from 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield to Baffin Bay, Texas. Small craft advisory for winds in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Rest of today, southeast winds around 20 knots. Choppy on the bay. Tonight, south winds around 20 knots. Choppy on the bay. Wednesday, southeast winds around 20 knots. Choppy on the bay. Wednesday night, south winds around 15 knots. A moderate chop on the bay. Thursday, south winds around 10 knots. A light chop on the bay. Friday, southeast winds around 15 knots. A moderate chop on the bay. Saturday, southeast winds around 15 knots. A moderate chop on the bay. Marine forecast for the following coastal locations. Coastal waters from Port Mansfield, Texas to Rio Grande out 20 nautical miles. And coastal waters from Baffin Bay to Port Mansfield, Texas out 20 nautical miles. Rest of today, southeast winds around 15 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet.